My name is EVOO and welcome to Cooking with the Koyas. It is great to see you. And during my last visit in Portugal, every restaurant I went to always asked me if I wanted carrots. And I thought after the third or fourth restaurant, I've got to try these carrots. Why do they keep asking me if we want carrots? Well, it's one of their little hidden gem specialties, which in true Portuguese fashion is simplicity at its best. So I thought I would come home and recreate the recipe. So let's get started right now. Of course, we wash our carrots, and then what we're going to want to do is peel the skin off the carrots. Let's get that rough skin off the outside. Using a potato peeler works great. I'm only using, I've got three rather large three rather large carrots here. And as far as portion size go, this would be served as an appetizer or a side dish. So basically, 1 carrot per person as far as portion size goes. Okay, and now with them peeled, what you're going to want to do is basically cut them in half, and then you're going to want them to be rather large pieces. So these are huge carrots. So you're going to want to basically cut them into quarters. So, pieces like that. So what I would suggest, cut the carrot in half, cut it in half again, put it on its flat side, cut it in half again, and cut it in half again. There you go. And you end up with 4 nice pieces of carrots. In fact, these are really, really big. I could probably cut them even a little more, because typically they should be about, from what I recall, about that big. Okay, let's get these cut up. Now that we have our carrots all sliced up, let's make our way over to the stove. We have a pot of boiling water with which we're going to add, we want to salt it, kind of like you would salt your pasta water. There we go. So in this case, I only have about 1.5 liters of water or so. So I only did like a heaping teaspoon of salt. And then we're going to drop our carrots right into that boiling water. And the key thing now is we need to bring this back up to a boil. Once it comes back to a boil, that's when we start the timer going, because we want these to be about 3/4 cooked, which typically should take anywhere from 5 to 7 minutes, but we don't start the timer until we got a boil. Come right back to a boil. That's the boil we're looking for. So at this point, we're going to let them cook at least 5 minutes, up to 7 minutes, because we want them 3/4 cooked. Let's say al dente. Okay, so I've let them go actually 6 minutes. They should be absolutely perfect. Let's shut down our heat. Okay, so we are going to strain these. Into the sink they go. And we're going to cool them off with some cold water so they stop cooking. And we want them slightly cooled anyhow before we toss them up. So it's going to get them quickly cooled down. Okay, that should do it. See our carrots. Oh, that is perfect. They're just slightly pliable here. See that? But they're not like cooked, but they're absolutely perfect. Like I said, al dente. All right, so I want to dry them off just a bit. Let's just get some of that water off. Okay. That's a lot of carrots. Those were big carrots. And in case I didn't mention it, this specialty is from the Algarve region in Portugal, which is the Southern Portugal. It's one of their, one of their known foods. So I'm going to put them in a bowl. And we're going to spice these up. The spices, again, are simple. Now, we don't need to add salt because we salted our water. But we are going to add some garlic powder. So here what I'm going to say is add garlic powder to taste. So we're going to add a little bit. Give it a little toss so that we can coat the other side as well. So we're going to sprinkle garlic powder. Okay. And now, I think their secret ingredient, cumin. You're going to put some cumin in there now, which brings that unique flavor to it. And you're going to do cumin to taste. So again, I'm going to sprinkle. Looks like I need a little more garlic powder as well. Go back to my garlic powder. So the cumin is a stronger spice. So again, do as you wish, but you definitely need the cumin. It's that flavor, that enhanced flavor that it adds, which really makes this carrot dish special. Okay, so we have our garlic powder, we have our cumin. Now, of course, extra virgin olive oil. And yes, in Portugal, they absolutely love their extra virgin olive oil. So we're going to add our extra virgin olive oil, toss it, and you noticed I added the spices first. That's important. You want the spices on the carrots first before you add your wet ingredients, which in this case is extra virgin olive oil and vinegar. So we're going to add a little bit of white vinegar. Okay. Let's get that added and toss that all up. Yes, you know what I'm going to say. When you think you've tossed enough, just toss a little bit more. And now, to dress up our carrots, a little bit of oregano. And if you take the oregano and just put it in your hand and give it a little rub, you'll help release some of those beautiful flavors, that earthiness, and toss that in there. Okay, so that looks really good. Let's get these beautiful carrots plated. Okay, how simple was this, folks? I'll tell you, Portuguese cooking, from what I've noticed, is simplicity at its best, definitely. Home cooking, simple cooking, but yet delicious, healthy, flavorful, all the above. Absolutely loved visiting the Algarve in Portugal. Okay, look at this. So maybe a little more oregano to dress with. And folks, I think I have just replicated the Algarve specialty carrots right there. Healthy, good for your eyesight, and tasty, which we're going to find out right now because I'm going to give it the taste test. The taste test. And just before we do it, take one more look at these beautiful carrots. Simplicity, but looking really, really nice. Okay, let's dig in. Take one piece right here. Oh yeah, nicely seasoned. Perfect chew. The absolute perfect chew. The 6-minute timing was ideal. The flavor, it's got that little bit of a crunch, cooked on the outside, a little bit of a crunch. I think I just did it, folks. I've replicated the carrots from the Algarve, Portugal, right here. And I have to say thanks for the one chef at the restaurant who kind of gave me some tips on how to make them. I appreciated that very much. But this, folks, for the simple carrot, to go from something so simple to something so delicious and healthy and good for you, it's all right here in the simple Portuguese Algarve carrot. And of course, you want to serve them at room temperature. You don't want to eat them hot. Again, cool them down with the water, toss them up. What a beautiful side dish right here. if you want to bring a little bit of Portugal home, a very quick, easy way to do so is to try the Algarve carrots. Wherever you're tuning in from, and by all means, if you're tuning in from Portugal, I'd really love to hear from you. Let me know how I did. But I want to thank you for spending time in the kitchen, a great place to be, on today's episode of Cooking with the Koyas. And as always, folks, until next time, buon appetito. Simplicity at its best.